Hey guys, it's your host Triple C. How's everyone doing today? Today I'm bringing you another vehicle in my collection. It is the Iron Grenadier Adder. That's right, Iron Grenadier Adder. Now I had this custom colors from the seller of this, which is Rowdy Toys. He's on Etsy. This is only $140 total with shipping and everything, so it was a great deal. He was nice enough to let me pick up some colors on it, and I wanted Iron Grenadiers. It usually comes in blue and silver, and then red on the tips, but I wanted the gold and black and red to go with the Iron Grenadier color scheme. Now, it has 6 wheels, 3 on each side, and these 2 large missiles. They are on dumbbell ports. And the gold is actually really, really nice on it. And they slot right back in. And you cannot tell that this is 3D printed. This looks really, really good. It's weighted really well. It's thick. I mean, this is probably the only part you can probably tell. But, I really like this vehicle. I had it as a kid. It was the only vehicle in my, Cobra arsenal as a kid that I had that you take out the, Rolling Thunder. This is 15 inches long and 16 to the edge of the missiles here. To the end of the missile right here, to the tip is 16. To the back of the bumper here is 15. So it's 16 inches long. It's pretty long. And then width-wise, it is 5.5 inches width, and it is roughly 6 inches tall. Unless you want to do the rocket straight up, and then it is 11 inches tall. But yeah, this is the Adder. Now, if you want one of these, you can go on Etsy, order them. You can either buy a file. If you want him to print it, you gotta talk to him. He'll more accommodate you. But he has this, the Cobra Claw. He's the one that did the classified flagship that's 12 feet long. Almost 12 feet long. And then, he has the, Thunder Machine, and he has the Cobra Claw, and a throne that he designed. But yeah, this is the Adder. It's an awesome vehicle. I mean, I know it's a single man vehicle, but he didn't need the color symbols gold for the, Iron Grenadier look. I may get an Iron Grenadier sticker and put it right there on the front, but other than that, I think this is a great vehicle. It rolls really well. All 6 tires roll on the ground. Let me move this out of the way. Yeah, it looks phenomenal. I mean, really, he did a phenomenal job on it, and I can't wait to order more stuff from him. He is working on the imp right now. it will have working treads. So yeah, I just want to show this off. This is my Iron Grenadier adder. It is pretty long. Let me try to get it all in camera. It was one of the vehicles that, I must have from my collection as a kid. This was a great, fun little vehicle that had, these giant rockets that could blow things up with. So, and, I wanted some more Iron Grenadier vehicles. So, I'm having another Iron Grenadier vehicle come very shortly. Well, not shortly, but in a few months. It's gonna be a big one. Yeah. When it comes to 3D printing, now, I don't usually get the, colors that come normally in, because if Hasbro makes them, by any chance, I will get the Hasbro one. But I want, these, so they be, I have them for Iron Grenadiers, Ninth Force, or whatever. Now, for size comparison, here is the Ram Cycle. Let's move this. And then here is my Moccasin. The Moccasin is just a tad bit longer. But, and then here is the ATVs, the ferrets or tiger paw. So you get some ideas about it. Yeah. This is an awesome little vehicle. I love it. I'm so happy I have it in my arsenal now, especially for Iron Grenadiers. I'm hoping that we get a lot more Iron Grenadier characters later on. Because there's like 7 different versions of Iron Grenadier soldiers. Then there's the officers. Then there's the individual characters, like Voltar, in the Iron Grenadier Destro, and rumors of Iron Grenadier Bat. Baroness is coming. So hopefully we get some new characters soon for Iron Grenadiers. I love the Iron Grenadiers, and I'm hoping I can find some more Iron Grenadier soldiers. I only have 1 so far, but I have 2 bats, so that's something. And I have Metalhead, and I can't wait to get Darklon. But yeah, this is Triple C. And I will be making more videos, just not as many as I used to. Right now I'm just pretty busy. So, I'm probably doing 1 video a week for right now, but this is, I wanted to share it with you guys, because I love the Iron Grenadiers, and this is an awesome vehicle. So, thank you all for watching. Hope you all have a great day, and hope you all have a great New Year's, and I will see you guys next time. This is Triple C, signing off. Cobra! Or Angry Deer! Bye, guys.